How to reset eToro password. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password of your eToro account. If you have forgotten your password and couldn't log into your eToro account, here's how you can do it. eToro is a multi-asset social trading and investment platform that allows users to trade various financial instruments including stocks, cryptos, commodities, etc. Now to get started, first of all you'll need to open your Chrome browser on your device and in the search bar you need to type eToro.com. Once you have entered this keyword in your search bar, tap on this arrow button of your keyboard to search it. Now within a while you will be taken to the official website of eToro. And in this page you will be presented with the login page. Here below the sign in button, here you need to tap on this forgot password link. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to this page. Here you need to enter your email address associated with your eToro account. Once you have entered your email address in this box, tap on the submit button at the bottom. Once doing that, you will reach to this page. Here it says an email with the instructions to reset your account or password has been sent to your email address you entered. You can wait for a few minutes and also check your spam folder to find this email. Now go ahead and search for the email. Here tap on this close button at the very bottom and now wait for the email. If you are not able to find the reset email from eToro, then you may use the search bar at the top of this mail interface and there type in eToro. Once you type in eToro, you will be presented with the quick results related to your keyword. Here find the email that is sent from eToro. Once you get the email, tap on it to open it. And inside it, you will need to scroll down. There you will find Set a New Password button. Here it says the password reset request from you has been successfully sent to eToro. Now you need to tap on this Set a New Password to complete this process. Also it says you have 24 hours to complete this process. So go ahead and tap on this Set a New Password button. Now after tapping on that box, you will be able to reach to this page from where you can recover your eToro account. Now after accessing your account, you can go to the settings and add a new password there. So by following these steps, you should be able to reset your eToro password or recover your account if you are having trouble accessing it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.